This is the brief on inspection concepts and techniques in the General AMT Handbook. All right, so this chapter is really all about what happens at the shark end of airworthiness. It's about mastering those mandatory inspection methods and the paperwork you need to get right to guarantee compliance and, of course, sign off on a safe aircraft. So we've basically boiled this all down to three key things you absolutely have to know, the stuff that's really at the core of your work. First up, it's all about regulatory compliance. This is the foundation of everything. You have to follow the manufacturer's manual to the letter, especially that airworthiness limitations section. That's your approved data. That's the bottom line. And of course, this means if you're doing any major repair or alteration, you need that approved data, particularly when you're dealing with airworthiness directives, or ADs. Second, let's move from the paperwork to the hands-on stuff. When you're trying to find those tiny little cracks on the surface, your go-to is liquid penetrant inspection. You'll hear it called LPI. What's great about this is it works on just about any non-porous material. You apply the developer, and then you're just looking for those telltale signs. Maybe a bright red line, or this brilliant yellow-green glow under a black light. If you see that, you found a hidden crack. And finally, what about when you need to see inside a part? Well, that's where specialized non-destructive testing comes in. If you're working with a magnetic material, you'll use magnetic particle inspection to hunt for those hidden flaws under the surface. But for a full internal checkup without taking anything apart, that's where radiography comes into play. We're talking about using X-rays to get a shadow picture. It basically shows you the component's internal health. So, you see, whether it's sticking to the rules or using advanced tech like LPI and X-rays, these are the critical processes that guarantee the safety and integrity of every single aircraft component.